Hello everyone, I am Monica Singhra from IELTS 9 channel, and here in this video I have taken this book IELTS Academic 14. From here I have selected this reading. I will be showing how to attempt this reading passage 2. This is from test 1 and the title of the passage is The Growth of Bike Sharing Schemes Around the World. Okay, now I want to say, let's try to understand how I am solving the reading passage within the time limit. Okay, let's start the reading. Now reading is like this. The whole reading passage has been divided into the smaller paragraphs, like they have given the subtitles also: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, and the question answers for this reading is like, we have the first urban bike sharing scheme, the complete the summary below. Okay, and the other questions we have multiple choice questions, and let me show you the other type of questions here. Okay, now we have questions 14 to 18. Reading passage 2 has 7 paragraphs, and which paragraph contains the following information. Okay, now first type of question for this reading passage is which paragraph contains the following information, means finding the information from the paragraphs. Okay, here. And the second type of question we have choose multiple choice questions. Okay, 19, 20 and 21 to 22. And the third type of question where we have complete the summary with the help of one word only. Okay, let's start the reading. Okay, now I have read out this reading title, The Growth of Bike Sharing Schemes Around the World. Okay, let's start this reading and let's do it. Okay, now time is 2:05. Okay, let's start it. Okay, now the first type of questions. Now here till that end, till the time I finished this reading, I won't be able to speak too much, because otherwise I would be wasting my time in giving you the reasoning and all. Okay, write the correct letter. Okay, you may use any letter more than once. Yes, this is the signal that a letter from A to G, I will be using it twice. Okay, a description. First I will be reading the options. A description of how many people misused a bike sharing scheme. Okay, bike sharing schemes, a description how many people misused. I will be focusing on, after finding the location of this thing in the paragraph, I will be focusing on this word misused. An explanation of why a proposed bike sharing scheme was turned down. Okay, an explanation of why bike sharing scheme, okay, proposed scheme was turned down. Okay, turned down I will be focusing on, but for that proposed bike sharing scheme was turned down. Okay, a reference to a person being unable to profit from their work. Okay, to a person being unable to make profit, unable to profit from their work. Okay, means some losses they must be talking about. An explanation of the potential savings, okay, a bike sharing scheme would bring means in for future what they can bring, and potential savings. A reference to the problems of a bike sharing scheme was intended to solve. Okay, there must be discussion of some problems and all. Okay, now let's move on to the reading passage A. So in this, it's up to you whether you want to start with the finding the information, or you can start with this thing, complete the summary, fill in the blanks. Okay, now I will be starting from the first type of questions only. For this I have to read the whole paragraph. I have to read the paragraph wise and then try to match the original idea of the bike sharing schemes dates back to summer days in Amsterdam. The organization that was a group that wanted to change the society. They believed the scheme, which was known as, was an answer to the perceived threats of air pollution and consumerism. In the center of Amsterdam, they painted air pollution is a problem. To perceived threats, yes, for threats we can use, yes, I think this is this thing. Problems, yes, problems problems, synonyms like or similar words, we can have threats, issues, troubles. So in this they are talking about threats of air pollution and consumerism. In the center of Amsterdam, they painted a small number of used bikes. They also distributed leaflets describing the danger of. The bikers were then left unlocked at the various locations around the city. Okay, so let's read it one by one. A description of misused a bike sharing scheme. No, nothing was given like this. Why a proposed bike sharing scheme was turned down? No. Unable to make profit. There is nothing about profit and all in this paragraph. A especially an explanation of the potential saving would bring. No. Problem bike sharing was intended to solve. Yes, for this definitely A will come. Okay. Yes, from this I believe this is the perfect answer. This is the perfect thing. Okay, let's move on to the B. A Dutch who still lives and was heavily involved in original scheme. He recalls how the scheme succeeded in attracting a great deal of, particularly when it came to publishing Prouvost aims, but struggled to get off the ground. But the police were opposed to Prouvost's initiatives, and almost white bikes were distributed. They removed them, however, and for bike sharing schemes in general, this was beginning. There was a symbolic thing. He painted a few bikes that made us serious when I became a member of the Amsterdam City Council 2 years later. Okay, which I did not find anything. A description of how people misused. No. Proposed bike sharing scheme was turned down. No, though they were there's yes, it is given. The police were opposed into Prouvost's initiative. Okay, no, they were opposing, not turned down. Nothing is given about turned down. Unable to profit. No, profit. It is not given anything about the profit. Savings, this we have done. Okay, cut it from the list of options. Now let's move on to the C part. Okay, seized this opportunity to present a more elaborate this to the city council. Okay, now he is talking about city council. Just from this B paragraph, just for just the next steps, what he is trying to say. My idea was that the municipality of this would distribute 10,000 white bikes over the city for everyone to use. He explained, I made serious calculations. Yes, serious calculations. Yes, it was, I think it is given. Yes, I found it. It turned out white bicycle per person. Yes, calculations is given. Yes, potential savings a bike sharing scheme would bring. Yes, definitely they are talking about this thing, but still let's complete it. Per kilometer would cost the 10% of what contributed to public transport per person per kilometer. Nevertheless, council unanimously rejected the plan. Yes, rejected the plan. Yes, I found it properly. Yes, turned down. Yes, in this an explanation of why a proposed bike sharing scheme was turned down. Yes, for this we will be putting here C and cutting the list from the list of options. Okay, now let's read it again. Would distribute 10,000 bikes. He explains serious calculations. It turned out that a white bicycle per person per kilometer would cost the only this percent of what it contributed to public transport per person. Okay, now yes, in indirectly the writer is explaining it would cost only 10% of what they had spent into the public transport per person per kilometer. It means they are talking about this thing, potential savings a bike sharing scheme would bring. Yes, for this C will come. Okay, let's cut it again. See, they have told you in the directions only, you may use any letter more than once. Okay, now we have left with two options. Okay, let's move on to the D paragraph. Okay, what the D paragraph is saying. Never stopped. Okay, they saw a glorious future for the car, but he was not in the least discouraged. Okay, never stopped believing in bike sharing, and in the mid 90s, two Danes asked for this thing set up in Copenhagen. The result was the world's first largest scale bike sharing scheme. It worked on a deposit. Okay, you dropped a coin in the bike, when you returned it, got your money back after the this thing. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Okay, this is the this time he succeeded in arousing the interest of, and recalls people had become environmentally conscious, and Danish experiment had proved was really possibility. In 1999, however, riding a white bike was no longer. It cost 1 guilder per trip. Payment was made with a chip developed by this consortium in racks which could be opened with the chip card. The plan started with this is distributed over 5 stations. I think nothing has explained about anything. Let's read the E. Who was a system designer for the project? Asked alongside. I remember when we were testing the bike racks, he announced that he had already designed better, but of course we had to go through the prone vandalism and theft. Yes, misused. We can just put for this. Okay, let's read it further. After there would always be a couple of bikes. There would always be a couple of bikes missing. Yes, let's go to this. Okay, misused a bike sharing scheme. Here in this paragraph they are saying couple of bikes always missing every time. Okay, so for 14th we will be putting E paragraph. Let's cut it from the list. A reference of person being unable to profit from their work. This much is left, where they are talking about profit and all. Okay, so let's continue. They could instantly recognize biggest how decided to abolish the chip because it wasn't profitable. Okay, the biggest blow came when bank had decided to abolish because it wasn't profitable. That chip card was pivotal to the system. Says to continue the project we have needed to set up the another system to the business partner had lost interest. Here it is written business partner had lost interest. This post bank. Now the F was disappointed. Okay, this person was disappointed because of these lost and all, but still we can read it. Not for long. In 2000 he got a call from this. He wanted to set his bike sharing scheme in Vienna. That went really well. After Vienna they set up system decisive movement in the history of bike sharing. The huge and unexpected success of the Parisian bike sharing scheme, which now boasts 20,000 inspired cities all over the, but financially it didn't really benefit from it. I never filed for a patent. Okay, so the answer is for 16th, unable to profit from their work. Unable, that is F. So now we have done this, finding the information from the reading passage. Okay, now let's move on to the this thing, MCQs. We have to select 2 statements are made in the text about Amsterdam bike sharing scheme of 1999. Okay, let's read it. 1999, where we have done it. Yes, 1999 is here in the paragraph D. Yes, a new white this was launched in 1999 in Amsterdam. However, riding a white bike was no longer free. It cost 1 guilder. Payment was chip developed by Dutch bank. Designed conspicuous sturdy white bikes locked in special locks could be opened. The plan started. Okay, let's read it from the above, from the location. 1999 in Netherlands, and this time he succeeded in arousing the interest of the Dutch Ministry of Transport. The times had changed. He recalls people had become more environmentally conscious, and Danish experiment had proved that bike sharing was a real possibilities. Okay, let's look at the options. It was initially opposed by a government department. No, nothing has given about this government department. No department. Okay, it failed when a partner in the scheme withdrew support. Yes, I think it was given. Yes, let's find it. It aimed to be more successful when the Copenhagen scheme. It was made possible by, yes, it is given, people's attitude. Yes, 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 it is given. Yes, for this it attracted interest from a range of bike designers. No, let's find it again where we were. Okay, just read it from here also. This is the starting of the D paragraph. Never stopped believing in this and asked for the help to set up a system. The result was the world's largest bike share program. It worked on the deposit return, you got your money back. Decided to try his luck again in the Netherlands. This time he succeeded in arousing the interest of transport ministry. Time had changed. Okay, what they are saying? It failed when a partner in the scheme would withdraw support. Okay, where is G? Okay, yes, here. C, in D. People had, okay, divide bikes, opened the chip card plan, started with the, okay, succeeded in arousing the interest of this thing. People had become, yes, this much is given, had proved bike sharing scheme. Okay, let's not waste time in finding this or this, but of course this is not the answer. I'm just confusing in this. Initially this and this. It failed when a partner in the scheme would withdraw. Okay, let's this I am sure, this I have got. It was initially opposed by the government department, though they have discussed about the government department, but initially opposed. Okay, let's move on to the next type of question we have. Let's not waste time here. Okay, write the correct letters in, okay, which two of the following statements are made in the text about Amsterdam today? The majority, okay, Amsterdam today is, it means we have to read the last paragraph. The whole paragraph we have already gone, all the paragraphs, only the last paragraph we have. In Amsterdam today, 38% of all trips are made by bike, along with the Copenhagen. It is regarded as one of the most cycle friendly capitals in the world. Okay, it is, okay, regarded, Molinar believes this every day already has a bike. This person, however, cannot see this changes need for a bike sharing. People who travel on an underground don't carry their bikes around, but often they need, okay, additional transport to reach their final destination. Although he thinks it is a strange that a city like does not have a successful bike sharing scheme, he is optimistic about the future. Okay, 60s we didn't stand a chance. Okay, let's read the options please. The majority of the residents would like to prevent all cars. No, nothing is given like this in the paragraph. There is a little likelihood of the city having another bike sharing scheme. No. More trips in the city are made by bike than any other form. No, it is not given. A bike sharing scheme would benefit residents who use, yes, who use public transport. Yes. Now here it is. Okay, let's not discuss it. The city has a reputation as a place that welcomes cyclists. Yes, this was given. Yes, yes, yes. Now complete the summary below. Choose one word only. Okay, only 4 questions from 23 to 26. The first, urban bike sharing scheme. Okay, this is the title. Okay, let's read the another keyword. The first bike sharing scheme was the idea of Dutch group Provo. Okay, the people who belonged to this group were they were concerned about damage to the environment. Okay, environment, yes, I know where it is. Let's go to the paragraph. I know the first sharing scheme was, they were discussing in the first paragraph. See, the original idea for an urban bike sharing scheme dates back to a summer's day in Amsterdam. Okay, they have used the word original in the paragraph, and in the question it was first idea for. Okay, with the idea was a Dutch group activities who wanted to change the society. Okay, let's read the question again. Yes, we have got the people who belong to this group were dashed. The was the idea of, okay, to a summer's day, the organization that came up with the idea was a group of Dutch activists who wanted to change the society. Okay, were, okay, organization that come up with was a group of activists. To this group, okay, were active, ACT, activist. Okay, the next one is we have they were concerned about damage to the environment and believed the bike sharing scheme would draw attention to these issues. Okay, they believed, who wanted to change the society, they believed that the scheme which was known as this was an answer to the perceived threats of air pollution. Air pollution is regarding environment, they have told, and consumerism. Okay, and about consumerism, they were concerned about damage to the environment. Yes, air pollution is given, and about consumerism, and let's write it, consumerism, and believe this thing. Okay, as well as painting some bikes white, they handed out dash that condemned the use of cars. Okay, in the center of the Amsterdam, they painted, okay, yes, it is given, they painted a small number of used bikes white. They also distributed leaflets, distributed, yes, it is given, handed out, describing the dangers, yes, distributed, handed out, yes, leaflets that condemned the use of that, describing the dangers of cars. Okay, now I have left with this thing, fill in the blanks. However, the scheme was not a great success. Almost as quickly as Provo left the bikes around the city, the dash took them away. Okay, according to this scheme was intended to be symbolic. The idea was to get people thinking about the issue. Okay, let's read it further. City to be used by in any need of transport. Okay, engineer who he recalls how the scheme succeeded in attracting great deal of, particularly when it, but the struggle to get off the ground. The police were opposed to Provo's initiative. Was not a great success. Almost as quickly Provo left the bikes around the city, the dash took them away. Who can took them away? Okay, who has white bikes were distributed. They removed them. They removed them. As soon as they distributed the white bikes around the city, they are talking about police. It means police removed the bikes. Yes, the police took them away. According to this, the scheme was intended to be symbolic. The idea was to get people thinking about the issues. Scheme of bike sharing in general was the beginning. This was just the beginning. The first was symbolic thing. Yes, we are correct. Yes, I have done it. Now we have completed the this thing, this full reading. I don't know the total time now here. Okay, let's find, let me explain you turn wise how I have found this these answers. I'm just taking 5 minutes more. Okay, now the first type of questions we had, like here, types of this thing, which paragraph contains the following information. Okay, always try to find these kinds of questions by reading the paragraph one by one. Okay, and in this way what will happen, इससे आपको क्या होगा कि आपको पता चल जाएगा कि yes, कि अब आप ये क्वेश्चंस ढूंढने के लिए ऑफ कोर्स आप पूरे के पूरे पैराग्राफ तो पढ़ोगे ही, ठीक है, उसके साथ साथ क्या होगा, आपको साथ साथ में पता चल जाएगा इस पैराग्राफ का मीनिंग, सो डैट कि नेक्स्ट टाइप के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो ढूंढने में आपको इजी रहेगा. सो इसको मैंने कैसे ढूंढा है, डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ हाउ पीपल मिस यूज्ड ए बाइक शेयरिंग स्कीम. ओके, ई लगाया है मैंने आंसर, तो लेट्स लुक एट द ई पैराग्राफ. ओके, नाउ मिसयूज्ड के लिए, मिसयूज्ड कैसे हो सकती है, जैसे उसने बाइक स्टार्ट किया तो मिसयूज कैसे हुआ. I remember when we were testing the bike racks, he announced that he had already designed better ones, but of course we had to go through the ones we had. The system, however, was prone to vandalism and theft. It means the persons, okay, after every, अगर यहाँ पे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो यहाँ इस लाइन से आपको डेफिनेटली पता चलेगा. आफ्टर एवरी वीकेंड देयर वुड ऑलवेज बी अ कपल ऑफ बाइक्स मिसिंग. हमेशा कोई ना कोई बाइक्स जो हैं 2, 3, 4 ऐसे बाइक्स मिसिंग मिलती थी. मीन्स पर्सन्स जो हैं खुद मिसयूज़ कर रहे हैं, जो वहाँ के जो लोकल्स हैं वो उसको मिसयूज़ कर रहे थे। डेट्स वाई मैंने यहाँ से इसको आंसर लगाया ऑफ हाउ पीपल मिसयूज्ड ए बाइक शेयरिंग स्कीम। ओके, नेक्स्ट जो है वो मैंने कैसे लगाया, एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ वाई ए प्रपोज बाइक शेयरिंग स्कीम वॉज टर्न डाउन। अब टर्न डाउन का मीनिंग आपको समझना चाहिए, इसके सिनोनिम्स आपको थोड़ा सा समझने चाहिए। वाई रीज़न भी आपका बता रहा है वो, हाउ पीपल कैसे मिसयूज हो रहा है, वाई ए प्रपोज बाइक शेयरिंग स्कीम वॉज टर्न डाउन। ओके, तो अब हमने ए पढ़ा, ए रीड कर लिया, बी रीड किया। उसके बाद अब हम जब यहाँ पे लास्ट में देखो, सी ये पैराग्राफ तो एक ही है, पैसेज तो एक ही है। अब ये नहीं है कि डजंट मीन कि अब दे हैव डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इनटू स्मॉलर पैराग्राफ तो सबका मीनिंग इंटर कनेक्टेड नहीं, ऑफ कोर्स दे आर कनेक्टेड। ये ऐसे कनेक्ट करके बच्चों को लाइक कैंडिडेट्स को कंफ्यूज कर देते हैं कि यहाँ ये देख के बस वो सोचेगा कि लास्ट लाइन पढ़ ली, फर्स्ट लाइन पढ़ ली तो हमें आंसर मिल गया। नो, ये उसका कॉन्टिन्यूटी है। उसके बाद उसने कहा व्हेन आई बिकेम ए मेंबर ऑफ एम्स्टर्डम सिटी काउंसिल 2 years लेटर, तो फिर उसने उसको फिर उसने बताया कि जब वो उसमें था उसके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी टू प्रेजेंट ए मोर एलोबरेटिविटी टू द सिटी काउंसिल, माई आइडिया वॉज दैट द म्यूनसिपलिटी ऑफ एम्स्टर्डम वुड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दिस इतनी बाइक्स फॉर एवरी वन टू यूज़। ही एक्सप्लेन्स आई मेड सीरियस कैलकुलेशंस, उसने सीरियस कैलकुलेशंस की, सब कुछ किया एंड उस सब कुछ बताया कि ये 10% ही म्यूनसिपलिटी को कॉस्टिंग आएगी रादर देन कि वो पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट पे और पर किलोमीटर ट्रांसपोर्ट जैसे लाइक ट्रेन्स, बसेस एंड इवन रोड मेकिंग के लिए भी जो एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं उससे ओनली 10% कॉस्ट आएगी। तो बट नेवरदलेस मीन्स लाइक ये सब बताने के बावजूद भी द काउंसिल unanimously rejected the plan. Plan here means scheme. So ये turn down means rejected. Just try to understand. They are always वो एग्जामिनर हमेशा सिनोनिम उसको पैराफ्रेज करके लिखता है। प्रपोज्ड बाइक शेयरिंग स्कीम इज प्लान। ओके, now next one is unable to profit from their work. okay, unable to profit means कि उसका पर्सन जो है कभी भी वो प्रॉफिट नहीं बना पाया, कभी मतलब नहीं कि वो unable to profit from their work, उसने अपने वर्क से कभी प्रॉफिट नहीं बना पाया। अब इसका आंसर क्या था अपना F। ओके, लेट्स रीड द F पैराग्राफ, हाउ आई केम टू नो। ओके, वॉज डिसअपॉइंटेड। ओके, हेयर इन द E पैराग्राफ। ओके, कुछ बचा तो इसी को पढ़ के लगा देंगे। To continue the project, we have needed to set up another system, but the business partner had lost interest. Okay, F. So F में क्या बोल रहा है? This person was disappointed, but characteristically not for long. In 2002, he got a call from this who wanted to set up a sharing scheme in Vienna. That went really well. After Vienna, they set up in this. That was a decisive. Okay, किसी को पढ़ के लगेगा हाँ अच्छा मूवमेंट था कि हिस्ट्री ऑफ बाइक शेयरिंग में। ठीक है, द ह्यूज एंड अनएक्सपेक्टेड सक्सेस ऑफ द पेरिसियन बाइक शेयरिंग प्रोग्राम। ओके, ह्यूज सक्सेस मिली, अनएक्सपेक्टेड सक्सेस मिली प्रोग्राम की, विच नाउ बोस्ट मोर देन 20,000 बाइसाइकल्स। ओके, इंस्पायर्ड सिटीज़ एंड ऑल। ओके, पढ़ते जाएंगे जब तक हमें उस एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट की जो हम बात ढूंढना चाह रहे हैं वो नहीं मिलेगी। All model this thing, it's wonderful that this happened, he says, but financially, now ये financially बात आ गई, means कि अपना वही उसी से related है। I didn't really benefit from it, I never filed for a patent. Okay, but financially उसको कभी इससे फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ। So यहाँ क्या बोल रहा है? Unable to profit from their work. That's why I have put this answer, for this thing F answer. Unable to profit mean financially it did not, like यहाँ लिखा है ना, it didn't really benefit. Okay, इसलिए फिर मैंने ये लगाया। ओके, उसके बाद now come to potential savings a bike sharing scheme would bring. ओके, C अपना आंसर था। C के लिए देखो मैंने ये पूरा जो उसने सेविंग्स 10% ऑफ, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्टेटमेंट, वुड कॉस्ट, उसने पूरा डेटा लगा दिया कि क्या क्या हो सकता है उसमें, क्या क्या नहीं, कि उसने पर कैलकुलेशन बताया, पर पर्सन की जो ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम पर किलोमीटर पर पर्सन जो कॉस्टिंग आती है उससे 10% लगेगा, मीन्स गवर्नमेंट की सेविंग हो रही है। दैट्स वाई आई हैव पुट दिस आंसर। potential savings a bike sharing scheme would bring. Okay, would is also there. Okay, now we have multiple choice questions. Okay, now 18th is left. Okay, a reference to the problems a bike sharing scheme was intended to solve. Okay, problems. In another videos also I have explained this problems synonyms, स्पेशली मैच द हेडिंग वाले में मैंने बताया हुआ है कि प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए द राइटर जो है एग्जामिनर है वो यूज़ कर सकता है थ्रेड्स, इश्यूज, ओके, इश्यूज एंड व्हाट प्रॉब्लम्स, इश्यूज, ट्रबल्स, ये मैंने बताया हुआ पहले। मोस्टली प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए इस टाइप के कुछ 2-3 और वर्ड्स हैं, 5-6 जो कॉमन टिपिकल हैं जो आइल्स रीडिंग में प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए यूज़ करते हैं। ठीक है, सो अभी इस पे आते हैं। ये प्रॉब्लम्स थ्रेड्स ए वाले उसमें लिखी थी कि वॉज एन आंसर टू द परसीव्ड थ्रेड्स ऑफ एयर पोल्यूशन। ऑफ कोर्स एयर पोल्यूशन एक प्रॉब्लम है एंड कंज्यूमरिज्म भी एक प्रॉब्लम है। ठीक है, तो इसके चक्कर में उसने ये स्कीम सोची थी। ओके, नाउ का 19th एंड 20th का एक्सप्लेनेशन ये कैसे करते हैं। ओके, लेट्स डिस्कस हाउ टू डू मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। ओके, सो वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट 2 ऑप्शंस। ओके, उसके बाद ये बिफोर रीडिंग दिस प्लीज़ रीड द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपर्ली। हम इसको ही पढ़ते रह जाते हैं, बट पहले ये देखो ये हमें लोकेशन कहाँ मिलेगी। आर मेड इन द टेक्स्ट अबाउट एम्स्टरडैम बाइक शेयरिंग स्कीम ऑफ 1919। जो एम्स्टरडैम की जो ये स्कीम थी 1999, पहले ये ढूंढेंगे कि 90s में 99 में जो भी बात हुई थी उससे रिलेटेड हम इसको रीड कर लेते हैं। येस, आई वॉज कन्फ्यूज इन दिस एंड दिस, फाइनली आई एम टेलिंग यू द आंसर ये था व्हेन ए पार्टनर इन द स्कीम वुड विड्रॉ। बट ये कहाँ मिला, ये उस पैराग्राफ में नहीं था, ये नीचे वाले पैराग्राफ में था। मैं एक ही को ढूंढती रह गई थी। ओके, सो अब ये है, आप चाहो तो इसको पढ़ सकते हो और चाहो तो नहीं पढ़ सकते हो, एज यू विश। मैं इसको अभी नहीं पढ़ती हूँ, और जहाँ पे मुझे ये मिलेगा ना एम्स्टरडैम दिस स्कीम 1999 में, वहाँ से पढ़ूंगी इसको। सो डी पैराग्राफ में इसके बारे में दिया है, एज वेल एज डी का जो कॉन्टीन्यूटी मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ। डी में दिया है ये 1999। ओके, सो इसको आसपास जो है सेंटेंस हम इसको पूरा रीड कर लेंगे। ऑलरेडी हम इसको रीड कर चुके हैं। द रिजल्ट वॉज द वर्ल्ड्स लार्ज साइकिल शेयरिंग स्कीम प्रोग्राम। इट वर्कड ऑन ए डिपॉजिट, यू ड्रॉप्ड ए कॉइन, दिस गॉट योर मनी बैक एंड दिस थिंग डिसाइडेड टू ट्राई हिज लक अगेन। ओके, नाउ द कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ डी पैराग्राफ। At this time he succeeded in arousing the interest of the Dutch Ministry of Transport. Okay, Ministry of Transport दिया हुआ था, but let's read it first. Times had changed, people had become more environmentally conscious. Okay, ठीक है, ये तो मिल गया था. Danish experiment had proved was real possibility. Okay, this was launched in Amsterdam. However, riding was no longer free. It cost this. Okay, bikes locked in special racks which could be opened to the chip. The plan started with okay, अगर मैंने ये पढ़ा, मैंने यही पढ़ा था, मैंने नीचे वाले पे नहीं आई बिकॉज, लेकिन था एक आंसर मुझे नीचे मिला था। ओके, ये मैं आपको बताती हूँ। अभी यहाँ पे अभी हमने पूरा पैराग्राफ रीड किया। इट वॉज इनिशियली अपोज्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट। ओके, गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट दिया है बट उसने अपोज नहीं किया था बिकॉज ये दूसरे कंट्री की बात कर रहा है। Okay, Copenhagen, yeah, like it is given. This time he succeeded in arousing the interest of Dutch Ministry of Departments. और यहाँ पे लिखा है कि it was initially opposed by government department. ठीक है, तो ये नहीं दिया, तो ये this is not the answer. Okay, for this thing, it failed when a partner in the scheme withdrew support. ये अभी नहीं मिला मुझे. It aimed to be more successful than, ये भी नहीं बताया उसने. It was made by a possible change in people's attitude. Yes, ये clearly दिया. It attracted interest from a range of bike designers. No, bike designers की कोई बात ही नहीं थी. तो इसको ढूंढते हैं ये आंसर कहाँ मिलेगा. So मैंने एक यहाँ तक पढ़ के छोड़ दिया था, बट बाइक शेयरिंग का जो बात है वो यहाँ तक चल रहा था. ऑफ कोर्स कोई ना कोई एक आंसर तो ऐसा हो सकता है अपने से मिसिंग हो जाए. अगर ध्यान से पढ़ा होता तो मेरे को याद था, बट आई हैड लॉस्ट इंटरेस्ट. ठीक है, तो मैं इसको पढ़ सकती थी, बट मैं टाइम कम था तो मैंने छोड़ दिया. सो आंसर को छोड़ना भी आना चाहिए रीडिंग में. ऐसा नहीं हो कि हम एक ही आंसर पर अटक जाएं और बाकी के सब मिस कर दें. एक नंबर छोड़ दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आफ्टर एवरी वीकेंड कपल, ओके, he announced he already, okay, आफ्टर एवरी वीकेंड देयर वुड ऑलवेज, ओके, जब यहाँ पे इनका प्रॉब्लम आया इस बाइक शेयरिंग में कि एवरी वीकेंड उनके जो बाइक्स मिसिंग होने लगे, तो क्या हुआ, आई रियली हैव नो आइडिया, ओके, तब बट द बिगेस्ट blow came when Post Bank decided to abolish the chip card because it wasn't profitable. The chip card was pivotal here means important to the system. Melonar says to continue the project को continue करने के लिए we would have needed to set up another system, but the business partner had lost interest. Okay, so according to my this thing, इसका ये आंसर इसलिए हुआ, it failed, ये फेल इसलिए हुआ था बिकॉज ए पार्टनर इन द स्कीम विड्रॉ सपोर्ट, उसने उसकी सपोर्ट कर ली थी, विड्रॉ कर ली थी. ओके, नाउ वी हैव ये वाला. अब ये कैसे किया मैंने, राइट विच टू ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर मेड इन द टेक्स्ट अबाउट एम्स्टरडैम टुडे. ओके, इसमें अभी ओके टुडे एम्स्टरडैम. नाउ अभी हमने पूरे पैराग्राफ पढ़ लिए, बस अपना एक ये बचा था जी. अब इसमें टुडे स्टार्टिंग में ही लिखा है, सो लेट्स रीड इट. 38% of all trips are made by bike along with the Copen. It is regarded as one of the most cycle-friendly capitals in the world. Okay, आप चाहो तो इसको आप पढ़ सकते हो, बट ये डबल पढ़ना हो जाएगा. बेटर है पहले पैराग्राफ पढ़ लो, फिर उनको रीड कर लेना जल्दी से. Okay, capital in the sea, but the city never got another white. Okay, but it is regarded as one of the most cycle friendly capitals in the world. Okay, but city जो है never got another VT, उस city को दोबारा कोई ऐसा person नहीं मिला. Believes this may be because everybody in the Amsterdam already has a bike. शायद कि सबके पास ये बाइक है. And however cannot see these changes Amsterdam's need for a bike sharing scheme. People who travel on a underground. Now you try to understand what is underground. Don't carry their bikes around. Underground here means underground like trains and all, जो metro trains और underground दूसरी trains चलती हैं, as well as buses के लिए भी underground कुछ होगा, but basically trains के लिए होता है. वो लोग बाइक को कैरी नहीं करते हैं अराउंड, ठीक है. डोंट कैरी देयर बाइक्स अराउंड, बट ऑफन दे नीड एडिशनली ट्रांसपोर्ट टू रीच देयर फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन. जहाँ पे भी ट्रेन छोड़ देती है अंडरग्राउंड, जो छोड़ देती है ट्रांसपोर्ट, उसके बाद उनको ये बाइक चाहिए होती है फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन पहुंचने के लिए. Although he thinks it is strange that the city like Amsterdam does not have a successful bike sharing scheme, he is optimistic about future. Okay, let's read the and were prepared to give their lives to keep cars in the city, but mentality has totally changed. Today everybody longs for cities that are not dominated by city, but the situation has changed. Now everybody longs for cities, सबको यही ऐसे सिटी चाहिए जिसमें कार ना हो, not dominated by the cars. Okay, now let's read it. The majority of residents would like to prevent all cars from, no, ये तो दिया ही नहीं था. There is little likelihood of the city having another bike sharing scheme, ये भी कुछ नहीं दिया था. दो ऐसे डिस्कस था कि वो दोबारा ऐसा हमें कोई वो उस पर्सन के जैसा नहीं मिला सेकंड स्कीम लाने के लिए. More trips in the city are made by more any other form of transport. More trips in the city are made by bike. No, ये भी नहीं दिया कि ज़्यादा ट्रिप्स बाइक से हो रहा, नहीं. बाइक शेयरिंग स्कीम वुड बेनिफिट रेजिडेंट्स हु यूज पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट. येस, ये दिया हुआ था. ये वाला द सिटी हैज़ ए रेपुटेशन एज ए प्लेस दैट वेलकम साइकिलिस्ट. येस, ये भी, ये जो फर्स्ट सेकेंड लाइन में दिया हुआ था, इसकी रेपुटेशन है. इट इज़ रिगार्डेड फॉर रेपुटेशन, उन्होंने क्या दिया, इट इज़ रिगार्डेड एज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट साइकिल फ्रेंडली कैपिटल्स इन द वर्ल्ड. येस, दिस इज ऑल्सो गिवन. ओके, नाउ MCQs भी हो गया. अब अपना लास्ट टाइप का जो क्वेश्चन बचा है वो है ये. इसको कैसे ढूंढा मैंने, द फर्स्ट, पहले मैंने इसको रीड किया, द फर्स्ट अर्बन बाइक शेयरिंग स्कीम. ओके, इसको अब देखते हैं कहाँ पे, ये स्टार्टिंग में ही था अगर आपको याद हो तो. ओके, फिर उसके बाद इससे तो नहीं मिलेगा, अगर इसको पढ़ने बैठे तो टाइम वेस्ट हो जाएगा. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको आगे का हम पढ़ते हैं कि एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट क्या डिमांडिंग कर रहा है. तो इसका नाम ढूंढना है सबसे पहले. द फर्स्ट बाइक शेयरिंग स्कीम वाज द आइडिया ऑफ दिस पर्सन, द हु बिलोंग टू दिस ग्रुप वर दोज एक्टिविटीज. ओके, सो मैंने इसको रीड करना स्टार्ट किया. दे वर कंसर्न्ड अबाउट डैमेज टू द एनवायरनमेंट एंड ऑल. सो वाज द आइडिया ऑफ, बिकॉज आप ये बात याद रखना, जो हमारे यहाँ पे आंसर लग गए हैं फाइंडिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन में, उसके अलावा जो पैराग्राफ बचे हैं उनमें से ये मिलेगा अपने को. सो फर्स्ट उसने यूज़ नहीं किया था. सो इसको अगर यहाँ से भी पढ़ते हैं, द फर्स्ट एंड आई थिंक बी यूज़ नहीं हुआ था, द ओरिजिनल आइडिया फॉर द ओरिजिनल आइडिया मीन्स फर्स्ट आइडिया फॉर दिस थिंग डेट्स बैक टू ए समर्स डे इन एम्स्टरडैम इन 1965. So the organization that came up with the idea was a group of Dutch activists. So the people organization here means the people who belonged to this group were this. They were concerned about the damage to the, yes, of course, they believed who wanted to change society. They believed the scheme which was known as this was an answer to the perceived threats of air pollution. Yes, instead of writing air pollution there, they use the word environment. And of course here the clue is and about consumerism, and believed that the bike sharing scheme would draw attention to these issues. Okay, as well as painting some bikes they handed, of course अगर हम आगे पढ़ते हैं, they also distributed leaflets describing, distributed means handed over, leaflets describing the dangers of cars, inviting people to use the white bikes. Yes, dangers of car means अब leaflets जो उन्होंने distribute किए थे, that condemned the use of cars. Condemned here means उन्होंने डिस्क्राइबिंग द डेंजर्स ऑफ कार्स ये बताया था. इसको इन्होंने इनडायरेक्टली ऐसे लिखा है. लीफलेट में क्या लिखा था? कंडेम्ड द यूज ऑफ कार्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट है, हाउ एवर द स्कीम वॉज नॉट ए ग्रेट सक्सेस. ऑलमोस्ट एज क्विकली एज प्रूवो लेफ्ट द बाइक्स अराउंड द सिटी. प्रूवो ने बाइक छोड़ दी अराउंड द सिटीज़. द पुलिस, अब ये मैंने कहाँ से मिला, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको पढ़ना. हाउ एवर द स्कीम वॉज नॉट ए ग्रेट सक्सेस. ओके, यहाँ तक अब हमने वी हैड जस्ट गोन थ्रू कि एनीवन इन नीड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट, यहाँ तक हो गया. यहाँ पे कोई ऐसी बात नहीं थी. फिर उसके बाद ए डच इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियर हु स्टिल लिव्स एंड साइकिल्स इन एम्स्टरडैम वॉज हेविली इन्वॉल्व इन द ओरिजिनल स्कीम. ओके, ये जो साइंटिस्ट था ये इन्वॉल्व था. ही रिकॉल्स हाउ द स्कीम सक्सीडेड इन अट्रैक्टिंग ए ग्रेट डील ऑफ अटेंशन, particularly when it came to publishing Provo's aim, but struggled to get off the ground. Okay, the police were opposed to this person's initiative, and almost, और यहाँ क्या लिखा है, was not a great success. Almost as quickly as Provo left the bikes around the cities, the police took them away. Okay, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है. Get them off the ground. The police were opposed almost as soon as the white bikes were distributed. जैसे ही डिस्ट्रीब्यूट की गई सिटी के अंदर, और उसने लिखा यहाँ पे Provo left the bikes around the city. Means left here means like उसने indirectly उसको बोला कि जैसे ही उसने सिटी में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दी बाइक्स, they removed them. पुलिस वर अपोज, पुलिस को अपोज कर रही थी. जैसे ही उसने बाइक प्रोवो के इनिशिएटिव की बाइक सिटी में बांटी, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट की, दे रिमूव देम, पुलिस ने उनको रिमूव कर दिया. द पुलिस टुक देम अवे. द इज ऑल्सो देयर, टुक देम अवे. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस वॉज इंटेंडेड टू सिम्बॉलिक. फिर भी अगर डाउट हो कि नहीं मिल रहा तो फिर हम नेक्स्ट वाले वर्ड पे भी जा सकते हैं. मीन्स अब ये जो हमें मिलेगा उससे ऊपर ही अपने को आंसर मिलेगा. Okay, thank you so much.